Did you know a respected doctor in Nazi-occupied Paris used fake escape routes to murder at least 63 people? Marcel Petiot seemed like a hero to desperate Jewish families and refugees trying to flee the Nazis. He promised safe passage to Argentina through his secret network, but it was all an elaborate death trap. Petiot told victims to bring all their money, jewelry, and valuables for the journey. Once they arrived at his house, he injected them with what he claimed were required typhus vaccinations. The shots were actually lethal poison. After they died, he burned their bodies in a custom-built furnace in his basement. When neighbors complained about the terrible smoke and smell, Petiot had the perfect cover story. He told police he was burning German spies and traitors for the French resistance. The authorities believed him and left him alone. When police finally searched his house of horrors, they found 47 suitcases packed with victims' belongings, human remains scattered throughout the basement, and his makeshift crematorium. Petiot was guillotined in 1946.